So, this isn't the video I intended on making. My Nike Adapt BB isn't working. It's been going on for about 3-4 days right now, I think. I wanted to do an early unboxing, give you guys a full review of the sneaker. I will show you the clips of the unboxing because I was definitely interested in this sneaker. This sneaker overall is absolutely insane. Let's just roll back. What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome back to another video. I'm excited to have these, man. They finally came in and woof, I cannot wait to check these out. So excited to see these. It is massive. Super excited to open this out. Bane, you wanna check this out? You wanna help me out? Now this I pre-ordered when the first initial release. So let's check this out. Oh my god, this thing's huge. Even the shoebox is huge. But, box. So here it is. Check this out. This is the Nike Adapt BB. It's absolutely massive, which makes sense because you got the charging pad at the bottom, probably one shoe on each side. But how do I even get this to open? Does it go up? How does this work? There we go. We'll just push. So here it is, here's the sneaker, and it says electro-adaptive reactive lacing. That's what they're calling it. What the hell? Whoa. Nike paper to wrap around. Let's just take it out. Let's just get rid of the paper. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Nike Adapt BB. How sick is this, man? Just overall feeling it right off the cuff, it's kind of a little bit heavy, I think. Overall, like this knit material that they use on the top, I was expecting it to be more, I don't know, man. This thing's very like stretchy too. Now there's a lot to talk about this shoe. I mean, but just overall aesthetically, I think it's a great looking shoe. Like look at the big swish. This is all 3M too. I'll put this on at night. Show you the flash. These things are nice, man. These things are nice for $350. And then this is the charging, I believe. Yeah, this is the charging station that you put the shoes on. Little charging pad. Can't wait to put it right off the side in my room. I guess this must be the plug-in. And then it comes with this little booklet. It says Nike Adapt Earl BB. Battery life check, everything like that. I need to download the app. That's what I'm gonna do right now and download the app. And then it's telling me that it needs to connect from the app to the shoe. This is insane. So it says you just wanna do it close, I think. Place your phone near the buttons of your left shoe to connect. This is insane. Pull up in the Y, wearing the self-lacing sneakers. Let's see if it's done connecting. Oh, it connected. This is welcome to the future of adaptive footwear. Next, hold near the home buttons. All right, pause. We'll come back to this. Hold on. All right, so I have to document this. I'm having issues with the shoes. Basically, you sign up for the app and you got to pair it with each shoe. It says the shoe is already paired. It says it's already paired. How can it be already paired? I called. They have a number here on the brochure or whatever, directions, whatever you want to call it. So I tried calling them. Obviously, it's closed. It's late. So right now, I'm kind of, I can't really do much with the app. I'm sure it's an easy fix. I hope this doesn't happen to a lot of people because I've tried turning it off. If you click the two buttons here, it turns off, and then you click it again. Even I tried turning it on, off, I turn my phone off. It still says it's paired, so maybe I'll just let this sit for a little bit, turn everything off, let it sit. That's kind of crazy though, how it says it's already paired. It is what it is. So the main issue I'm having with this sneaker is that it's not connecting to the app. I can't get it to pair. So what you do is you download the app. So you get this main screen right here. It says, hello Aaron, let's connect to the future. So you just hit next, And then it says connect to your left shoe. As you can see, it's on, and you basically just go like this to the thing, and then it says connecting, and then here's what I've been getting for the past 3 days. It says shoe already paired. How is the shoe already paired? Your shoe may be paired with a device, try pairing again. And I've been doing it over and over and over. So I ended up calling Nike customer service line, what they suggested. And because it's such a new technology, like sneaker that just came out, they're not really fully prepared. Now, I'm not trying to discourage anybody from buying it. I still really like this shoe. This shoe is fire. This thing, it still works. It still works properly, but I can still put it on, lace it, unlace it. When you're spending $350, I'd like the whole function of the shoe to work. They told me that you can hold the buttons for 5 seconds to shut it off and everything like that, but there's no like unpairing button. And that's why I'm making this video, because I hope this video reaches to someone that maybe knows how to fix it. Maybe as a community, someone can help me. This is another thing that kind of gives me a little bit of concern about the shoe, is that if the shoe can only connect to one device, how do you get it to connect to multiple devices? Like say, if I connected this to my phone and I want to sell this sneaker when I'm done with it to my friend, how is he gonna be able to connect it to his phone as well? I don't know, can this shoe have multiple users connected to it? Because I can't even get it to connect to my phone. So I don't know, like that worries me about the secondary market. But again, these are all just questions that I have that I can't find the answers to right now. So I'm hoping maybe somebody watching this video has those answers, can put them down in the comments. But overall, man, look at this. This is such a beautiful looking shoe. But guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. And like always, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.